Lane, I was over here walking and I found something that was a buddy of mine. Let's go find him. Looky there. It's a lizard, a chameleon lizard. See him move? Let's see if I can catch him. He don't like me. He's trying to get away. He's trying to get away. He's hard to catch. He's messing up though. He's gonna go over here and get on the tree. There he's on the tree, look. He's on the tree, he's hiding. Can't keep up with him. He's fast. He is gone, baby. Well, let's see if we can find him. He's on the tree somewhere. Where'd he go? Goodness, he's fast. He's blended into the tree and I can't see him now. But he's on that tree somewhere. But we got to catch a little bit of catch on him, didn't we? But he blends in so good you can't see him.